Right, we've got a problem with our lawn. It's mostly weeds, so we bought some weed and feed. Needed a spreader. Found this on eBay. It's a Parker brand model. It arrived today. Unfortunately, it came completely in pieces. Every single bit was in pieces, and to be fair, it looked like it had been opened before. And maybe somebody had just given up and slung it back in the box. So there's a picture on the front, and then the instructions are just literally bolting the pre-assembled pieces together. It's supposed to be like that. It wasn't. Everything, all of this assembly was in pieces. The wheels were separate, all the framework was separate, and really it wasn't very clear how to put any of it together. So I thought we would just video and tell you the pitfalls. And the weirdest thing is this weird floating arrangement they've got here. If I come back out, you'll see the whole handle is floating on here. I don't know why that's been done like that. So we had 4 short screws. Obviously that was for this assembly here. We had a load at this length, which is, obviously too long for there really, but it doesn't foul anything, so that is good. We had no idea how this were assembled. You get this metal plate that was just loose in the box. I'm thinking, well, maybe they missed bolt holes out of this bar, but it actually just fits through there and floats. Actually, that needs adjusting because it's wonky, as you can probably see. Yeah, wheels pretty straightforward. There's a washer, split pin that side, washer the other side, then this tube, and then the drive mechanism. There is a hole in this shaft that split pin goes through, so this lines up. Washer this side, no washers that side. Was not expecting pneumatic tyres. Don't know why they've gone to the expense of fitting those. The only bit that was fitted was this door assembly. That was already fitted. This again, absolutely no clue how to fit this. This should have already been done, I think. Let me have a look at the instructions. Have a closer look actually at the instructions. Oh God, yeah, I can't really make that out, but that's how I've done it. It seems to be okay. Again, getting this the right way round, not too much of a problem. You'll find if you get this in the wrong position, you won't be able to fully open or fully close the flap, which is you can see moving there. If I just lift this cover off and take out that, so that's fully shut there, and then you just want it fully open at the far position, but if it doesn't, then you can adjust it on here. You can see I started out at the other end, miles out, but that is now fine. You've got a little thing here to stop it opening up too much, depending on what you're putting through. Mine is very small granules, so I probably don't want it open very much at all. Maybe like that. Now there's a split pin in this shaft, but the problem is I've got nothing other than 3 washers left, so I haven't got a clue what you're supposed to do with that. Whether it's some sort of little impeller thing that's missing to stir things up, I haven't got a clue. Again, with the handles, you'll find a piece of plastic. Let me see if I can get it. There's a little piece of plastic in the bottom of the box, and I had no clue where it was supposed to go. And then I wondered why these handles, they're not rounded. If you look in here, it's angled. And then just at the last point I thought, oh, hang on a sec, the only thing I've got that's angled is this bit of plastic, and that is where it goes. There's a hole going through that, and the bolt literally goes through there. Tip on the rubber, just spray it with something. I use that aerospace protectant that I've got. Just spray it on the inside and slide these on. That'll soon dry out, and you're not going to get these on without wetting it, detergent, whatever you've got. It could be that I've got these on the wrong way around. Maybe it would be better if they actually went up at the end, but I mean, whatever, it works. So yeah, that's how it all goes together if you get one of these and you are stuck. If anyone's got a better suggestion on how that should go together, then let me know. And maybe there should be a washer there as well. It's just a weird design, but overall should do the job. I just wanted to video that for you.